The first sort of the adverb, the assumption about the future. Let's study from the modal verb will. The word will also has the trait of the noun is applied in a clause. The speaker applies the word will, which has the trait of the adverb, to describe the subject who is expected to actualize the experience, condition, or action indicated by a verb in the future. So we can note that the expectation as one of the assumptions. The assumption that the experience, condition, or action will be actualized in the future is not certain. So, the speaker reveals the will of the subject who expects to actualize the experience, condition, or action with the modal verb will. There is a clause, you will live in the better place. The speaker describes the definition of the intransitive verb live with the application of the modal verb will to assume the condition in the future which the listener says the subject expect to exist in. The speaker expects the condition indicated by the intransitive verb live to be actualized in the future, but the speaker does not sure about it, so the speaker applies the modal verb will to convey of the speaker. There is another clause, I will get well. The speaker describes the definition of the intransitive verb get with the application of the modal verb will to describe the condition that the subject expects to exist in, whether the subject is the speaker or not. If the subject of this clause is replaced as the personal pronoun he, the speaker conveys the expectation, the subject, to be in the condition indicated by the intransitive verb get. The second sort of the modal verb, the assumption about the future, the speaker applies the modal verb shall to convey the faith about the future when the subject actualizes the experience, condition, or action indicated by the verb in the future that is more certain than a point in the future described by the modal verb will. The modal verb will and the modal verb shall deal with the future in common, but the difference between the modal verb will and the modal verb shall is that the modal verb shall deals with more certain future. The experience, condition, or action described by the modal verb shall is believed to be actualized by the speaker, with the perspective that the strong assumption without a doubt is considered as the faith. The modal verb shall conveys the faith of the speaker. The word faith conveys much stronger intention of the speaker than the word expectation. There is a clause, we shall be healthy, happy, and respecting each other. The speaker describes the definition of the be verb with the application of the modal verb shall to signify the faith about the subject, including the speaker who expect to exist in the condition in the future that is relatively certain. The condition indicated by the be verb is believed to be actualized. The second clause is this: the homework shall be submitted. The speaker applies the modal verb shall to convey the faith that the subject becomes to be described by the be verb and the adjective submitted at a certain point in the future.